Hey, this is the Market Doll Queen, and today I want to talk to you about AMC. I call this the meme stock. AMC, it's real popular, Wall Street bets, a lot of Robin Hooders. It has been in the news along with GameStop, and today, which is Tuesday, February 23rd, it is making some beautiful moves today. So I did enter a trade here with AMC. I will show you right here. Let's go ahead and let's open this up. Right here, as you can see, I have a position. Here, let me pull this up a little bit. I have a position right there. Actually, I have a couple of contracts. I got $8 calls for AMC, and I'll go back to the chart, and I did buy right after open, and I got in around here. I'm going to say either this green candle or the red right beside it, because it did do a drop. I did buy my first contract, and then when it dropped, I bought another one, so I averaged down. I lowered my average price per option contract. And then, as you can see from my chart right here, I have my Bollinger Bands. Those are the light purple right there. And my candle action going on. The white dotted line is my VWAP line. All right. And then the rainbow is an EMA moving average. It's a moving average rainbow, or actually ribbon. I color it like a rainbow. You can find this under studies. You can go anywhere that you see studies. You can go ahead and add a study. And as you can see, they've got it listed by all kinds of stuff. Upper studies, lower studies, listed by the creator's name, all kinds of ways to look for other studies. And always remember, anywhere that you see a chemistry beaker, you can add studies. So that would be with that one right there. You could create your own studies and save it as a set. You can do it with this one right here where it says studies, chemistry beaker. You can also come way over here to the far right-hand side and go to studies right there. You could go ahead and load study sets that you've made. You can add a study. You could do all kinds of stuff from there. Now, as you can see, I've got very simple studies going on. I like Bollinger Bands, VWAP. I like the EMA ribbon. I like the TTM squeeze, MACD, and volume. That's it. I don't like to overcomplicate my charts. I like to be able to see what the candles are doing. I like to be able to see if the Bollinger Bands are contracting or expanding and gaping open. I always pay attention to the TTM squeeze. When you see it flat here, either red dots or green dots, it is squeezing completely. And then it either needs to break down and break out the bottom down there, or come back up and break out and come out and break out over the top. As you can see right now, it is doing quite well. It did have a nice drop. I would say the market as a whole dropped hard right after open. This wasn't the only ticker that dropped. I think everything dropped. And then once it kind of caught its breath, then we have this. We've got three white soldiers. Boom, boom, boom. And we are back up above VWAP. And then the candle action pretty much stays steady. And now we are starting to inch ourselves higher. As you can see, it just created a new intraday high of 776. It does look like it will surpass that to me. So I see this definitely going higher as long as my EMA ribbon stays in this configurement, as long as the purple stays on top, red on the bottom. I'll go ahead and light up the ribbon itself. And you can see as long as the ribbon is red on the bottom, it's in an uphill, upward climb. When it waterfalls and closes over closes over itself. Let's look at this. Right here is where the EMA ribbon flipped over, and the purple is now on the bottom. But as you can see, the ribbon itself came down into a very tight squeeze. The TTM squeeze started short stepping back up, and then it went flat and then popped up over the top. And here we are now getting up above VWAP right there, and it stayed that way. The EMA ribbon, as you could see, was very tight, very squeezed together right there. Let's go ahead and bring it back out. As you can see, it is going higher. There it is. Hard drop after open. I averaged down. I got a better position. I'm holding a couple of contracts of that. I am doing quite well. It seems to be holding its own, probably around the 750 level, as you can see from time and sales over here. Other than that, I'm going to continue to hold this. As you could see, my expiration is this week. I went ahead and went for a weekly, okay? So as soon as I get green on this trade, whether it be today or tomorrow, I definitely want to be out of this trade by Thursday. I want to be able to get this to pay me, and I will get out of it. So I'm waiting for this to continue to get up higher than 775 and head for my $8 strike, and then the money will come to me, and that's how we do it, people. Hope this helped you. Till next time.